Road trip and family. Always put on your seatbelt. Always put your seatbelt on. The moral of the story is always put on your seatbelt. The story is about a family who wants to go to Hawaii, but they can't afford to use a lot of money. So they take the car. Okay, starting now. So, one boring day, a family, the Hero family decided to go on a road trip. They picked up, they packed up and headed to Alaska. Here is their story. I'm bored. I'm bored.
You want a challenge?
Me too.
Margaret thought for a second. He thought he could do anything better than anything. Yes, whatever it is, I can do it better than you. Naveen thought, well, I can hang out among the birds for a while.
But
So I could
let's go on a road trip.
among the birds upside down. So then Naveen asked Margaret, well, can you hang out among the birds upside down longer than you? Margaret thought for a second and said, well, I am strong.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom. Yeah, you should think about how I think to Mom. Okay. Thank you, Dad. You're welcome, honey. You're welcome, Soraya. And you're welcome, honey. You know we love you. Yeah, you know we love you.
He was getting
Yep,
tired,
I already. Let me hold your hand. I'm scared.
I am longer than you.
Okay, you can hold my hand. Me too. Okay, me too.
So the next day, the female Parker and hung out on the birds.
Okay.
Parker just couldn't hold on.
Right.
Well,
I love you too.
I'm longer than you.
Give me a ride. Okay.
Well, I guess.
I'll drive. Okay.
Well, don't say you can do something.
Hold on. What? What do you need, honey? Yeah, what do you need, honey? Like your dad said. I forgot to pack the suitcase. I forgot to pack the suitcases. Well, let's pack them now. Okay. They got their bags. So they got their bags. Some wore jackets and got into the car. Got into the car to head to Alaska. want to go check out and see it. What the dog is okay. Hey, you okay? Ruff, 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 ruff. Help me, help me. Hey, bad doggy. Boo, boo. I want to drive. You get in the back. Okay. Okay, I'll get in the back. I'll get in the back. Now! Okay. Mommy, I'm scared. There's no need to be scared of me. Be quiet back there. Bad things happen. Other bad things are happening. I'm gonna go see the basketball game. No. No, honey, no. I want it now. When I say now, I mean now. Dad, chill out. Nobody has time for this. Dang. We have time for this, though. The moms started the engine and she pulled off. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? No, not yet. We are 25 minutes. We are 25 minutes away. I'm hungry, Mom. Move, Dad. Mom, I'm hungry. But honey, you just ate. Look, let me drive. No. Honey, you just ate. You just ate. You just ate. You just ate. I'm still hungry. No. Dad, can I? There is only one bag of chips. There's only one more bag of chips left, and that is mine, because I didn't get some. Oh, well, give it to me, then. We're here! They got there in 25 minutes, but Alaska was $85. Yes, okay. I have to pay this much? Come on! What, regular, what? Ow! Oh no. Get her up now. I got her. Help! Alright. Let me carry her. The man's got her. It's okay. Shh. Bump. Are you okay? I'll drive myself to the hospital if you won't. See this? It says, Ray Ray loves you. And you won't love her. And you won't love her back. But we do love you. Yeah, but we do love you. Woof, 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 woof. Oh, quit it. Now get me somewhere else. Babe. The family had gotten into a car crash, and then the daughter left with the dog. Wait. She took the dog I paid for, and she knew. She doesn't know what she's getting into. Get back up here before I come down there and get big. No. Just let her go. See what she gets in trouble too. No, we need to save our daughter. What is wrong with you? We need to save our daughter, not let her get into trouble. Yeah, she's gonna learn her lesson. Now, if you don't want to be with me, I'll walk away too. So she did. Honey, fine, then I'll just go to Ohio. Fine, go to Ohio then. I don't give a care. Walk out of here like a boss. I'm walking in like a boss. Get out of my way. We need to save her. That's what I was telling you. Now drive, woman, drive. Get on the back truck. Mommy, Daddy, I'm back. Re-room. That really hurt. Thank you for driving me here, boy. No problem. Oh, yeah. Are you finished? No. That still hurts. Here's a Band-Aid. I'm gonna need more than just a Band-Aid. I need a hospital.